right, so we just cashed them checks, you know, the taxes. Spent our money on a nice little 22. Venom Motorsports. Let's get it cracking. Let's see what's up. Let's see what we got. Let's get the battery that's in the front. 14mm socket. Just the bottom. Take out the 6mm. Do it by hand. Go ahead and pull on the brake, you know. Make sure everything's alright. Wrench. Check your chain. See it's kind of loose. Make sure that you're holding on to the bike so it doesn't fall over on you.